10 for Dreams. I am Neha and today we are making a classic North Indian dish, palakpaneer, a rich and delicious dish of paneer served in a creamy spinach gravy. Palak paneer is one of the most favorite Indian restaurant dishes. So let me show you how to make some yummy palak paneer. And you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description below. Now let's get cooking.
Let's start by blanching a big bunch of spinach in a pot of hot boiling water. Blanch the spinach for about 2 to 3 minutes till it completely wilts. Then drain and dunk it in some ice water so it doesn't cook any further. When completely cold, drain again and add it to a blender jar with 2 green chillies. Blend it into a nice smooth paste.
Now that our spinach is ready, let's get to the next step.
Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and to it add a medium onion that's roughly chopped. When the onion turns translucent, add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic that's chopped and add an inch of ginger that's chopped as well. Saute till the ginger garlic lose its raw smell, the onions start to caramelize and then add a chopped tomato. Cook the tomatoes till they soften and then turn off the heat. Once cooled, add everything into a blender jar. Blend it into a fine smooth paste.
And now we are ready to make the palak paneer.
Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. To it, add 1 bay leaf, 2 dry red chillies and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give it a quick stir and add a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. As the garlic starts browning, add the onion tomato paste. We'll saute this for a minute or 2 and then add the powdered spices. First we'll mix in 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of garam masala. We'll saute this for about a minute and then add the spinach paste. Thoroughly mix in the spinach paste till everything is properly incorporated. Rinse the blender jar with half a cup of water and then add it to the pan. Just look at how beautiful this green color looks. Once the water is completely mixed in, add some salt to taste. And now it's time to add the paneer. Gently mix in the paneer into the gravy, careful not to break the cubes. Then mix in half a teaspoon of Kasuri Methi or dry fenugreek leaves. Lastly, mix in a nice big tablespoon of fresh cream. And here our gorgeous palak paneer is ready.
Oh my god, just look at this palak paneer. I can't wait to give this a try. Wow! This palak paneer is beyond delicious. delicious. You have to try this recipe. I promise you, your mind will be blown. Do like and share this recipe. And when you make this palak paneer, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. See you next time. Bye!